Hi guys, look at me now in my $600 Mercedes-Benz CLK 320 2001. So this is the one I bought sight unseen, shipped it from Houston to Dallas. I literally haven't done anything to this car. I have just put some clean oil in it, changed the oil filter, and did my own little alignment at home because it was off. The alignment was kind of off. Everything's working. I got air conditioning. You know, I haven't done any major repairs yet. It turns out the lower control arms of both the front and the back were damaged in the wreck that happened to this vehicle because I have some kind of free play in the suspension, especially the front suspension. This project is kind of on hold because of the current situation and what is happening, but I gotta keep her warmed up and, you know, cute and sexy and all that shit. I just take her for a drive from time to time around the neighborhood. Just keep her going. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just going for a drive in the neighborhood. Just a warm up of a project vehicle won't harm or hurt anybody. There you have it. The Mercedes is rolling. Rolling. Check this out. Guys, tell me what you think. Is this a good deal? I can just push those bushings out myself, put in some aftermarket ones. Should I make it a quick flip? How much would you pay for this? I'm gonna do some small work on it. I'm gonna make sure I'm still below the 1500, stay below 2 grand, and flip it for 25. How about that? That's the interior. It's running and driving, and I'm gonna step out in a second. At the beginning, I had an ESP light, ABS light or something turn on, and a check light. But after driving this car for a few miles, all those lights kind of just went off. The engine is running fine. The vehicle pulls, man, is really fast. It's a V6, 3.2 liter V6. It still feels like it's got a lot of power in it. 138,000 miles. It kind of leans a little bit to this side when I'm driving, but it's still not as bad, you know. And look at that free play. Listen to that. Coo, 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 coo sound. Something is definitely loose, and it's a bushing, a ball joint. All that stuff needs to just be replaced underneath this car, and this car will be good to go. Oh no, it's not that bad, but somehow I think I could have got a nicer Mercedes Benz, and I think there's some popping up with copart. You don't really know what you're getting. If you can't go out and see the car and have a look at it yourself, then it's a risk. You just gotta have the good eye, like me, to tell which one will actually be a good run and drive. And once you start paying people, it pushes the bill up. I don't think they have a high resale value. I don't know why, because it's so expensive to maintain, but I think these cars are strong and they probably last long without much repair. But who knows? And yes, the top does not drop down. I still have to figure that out. But I did change that front wheel over there and put the spare on because the rim was gone. There you have it. Let me know what you think. Comment or like this video if you think it's relevant to you in any way. Peace out.